Looking for a Lexus GS 350F Sport that delivers luxury, performance, and long-term reliability? Don't make the mistake of buying the wrong model year. Some years are known for costly repairs and frustrating issues, while others are considered some of the finest sports sedans Lexus has ever built. In this video, we're revealing the best Lexus GS 350F Sport models to buy, the years you should avoid, and exactly what makes the top picks stand out. Stay with us until the end. You might save yourself thousands of dollars and drive home with the perfect Lexus. Number 1. 2016 to 2020 Lexus GS 350F Sport. For the 2016 to 2020 model years, the Lexus GS 350F Sport reached one of the highest points in the sedan's history. If you're searching for the perfect balance of luxury, reliability, and sporty performance, this is the generation that deserves your attention. Lexus refined nearly every aspect of the car, making it one of the smartest used luxury sedan purchases on the market today. Under the hood is the updated 3.5-liter 2GR-FKS V6 engine, producing a smooth and responsive 311 horsepower. More importantly, this engine introduced the advanced D4S dual injection system, combining direct and port fuel injection. That means it significantly reduces the carbon buildup problems that affected many direct injection engines, helping the GS 350 stay reliable even after years of ownership. It's powerful, refined, and built to last when properly maintained. The F-Sport trim also delivers a more exciting driving experience. It features a sport-tuned suspension, sharper steering, supportive sport seats, larger wheels, and an aggressive exterior design highlighted by Lexus's signature spindle grille. The 2016 facelift gave the GS a bolder front end with redesigned LED headlights, making it look modern even by today's standards. Safety also took a major step forward. Every 2016 through 2020 GS 350 comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus, which includes pre-collision braking, lane departure alert, adaptive cruise control, and automatic high beams. These advanced driver assistance features make daily commuting and long highway trips much safer and less stressful. Inside the cabin, you'll find premium materials, outstanding build quality, and a quiet interior that rivals many newer luxury sedans. Whether you're commuting to work or taking a weekend road trip, the GS 350F Sport delivers exceptional comfort without sacrificing performance. If you want a luxury sports sedan that's dependable, fun to drive, and packed with premium features, the 2016 to 2020 Lexus GS 350F Sport is easily one of the best model years you can buy. It offers timeless styling, proven reliability, and the kind of driving experience that reminds you why the Lexus GS has earned such a loyal following. Number 2. 2017 Lexus GS 350F Sport. When Lexus introduced the 2017 GS 350F Sport, it wasn't just another model year update. It became what many enthusiasts consider the sweet spot of the entire GS lineup. Even today, owners on forums like Club Lexus consistently praise the 2017 model as the best overall value, thanks to its outstanding combination of luxury, reliability, modern technology, and everyday practicality. If you're shopping for a used luxury sports sedan, this is one model that deserves to be at the very top of your list. One of the biggest reasons is its exceptional balance. By 2017, Lexus had already refined the 4th-generation GS after its mid-cycle refresh. That means many of the small issues found in earlier models had already been addressed, while the car still retained the timeless styling that has aged incredibly well. The aggressive spindle grille, sharp LED headlights, and sporty F-Sport appearance package give the sedan a bold, athletic presence that still turns heads nearly a decade later. Under the hood, you'll find the proven 3.5-liter V6 engine producing 311 horsepower. Paired with a smooth 8-speed automatic transmission in rear-wheel drive models, the GS 350F Sport delivers quick acceleration, refined power, and impressive reliability. The updated D4S dual injection system helps reduce carbon buildup, making the engine more durable over the long term and lowering maintenance concerns compared to many competing luxury sedans. Inside the cabin is where the 2017 model truly shines. Lexus equipped it with a premium interior, featuring high-quality leather, aluminum trim, supportive F-Sport seats, and one of the quietest cabins in its class. The infotainment system feels more polished than previous years, while the spacious interior offers outstanding comfort for both the driver and passengers. Every detail reflects Lexus's reputation for craftsmanship and long-lasting quality. Safety is another major advantage. The 2017 GS 350F Sport comes standard with Lexus Safety System Plus, including pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, and automatic high beams. These advanced driver assistance features provide confidence on busy highways and make daily driving far less stressful. Perhaps the biggest compliment comes from long-term owners themselves. Across enthusiast communities like Club Lexus, many describe the 2017 GS 350 F Sport as the perfect balance between old-school Lexus reliability and modern luxury technology. It avoids the complexity of newer luxury sedans while still offering nearly every feature most drivers want. If you're looking for a luxury sports sedan that delivers premium comfort, dependable performance, strong resale value, and a reputation built on owner satisfaction, the 2017 Lexus GS 350 F Sport stands out as one of the smartest used Lexus models you can buy. It truly represents the point where performance, refinement, and reliability come together in one exceptional package. Number 1. 2013 to 2015 Lexus GS 350 F Sport. At first glance, the 2013 to 2015 Lexus GS 350 F Sport looks like an incredible luxury sports sedan. It delivers sharp styling, a premium interior, and the legendary Lexus reputation for reliability. Under the hood, you'll find the naturally aspirated 3.5-liter V6, an engine known for its smooth power delivery and long-term durability. So, what's the catch? The biggest issue isn't that this Lexus is unreliable. It's that it's beginning to show its age. These models are powered by the older version of the 2GR-FE engine. While it's one of Toyota's most dependable V6 engines, it lacks some of the refinements, efficiency improvements, and updated technology found in later Lexus models. If you're looking for the most advanced driving experience, these earlier GS 350s may leave you wanting more. Another drawback is safety. The 2013 to 2015 models were introduced before many of today's advanced driver assistance features became standard. Technologies like automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and pedestrian detection are either unavailable or limited, depending on the trim level. In today's market, that's a noticeable disadvantage. Then there's the infotainment system. Instead of a modern touchscreen, these models use Lexus's remote touch mouse style controller. While innovative when it first arrived, many owners find it awkward and distracting to use compared to today's faster and more intuitive touchscreen systems. Navigating menus while driving can feel frustrating, especially if you're used to modern technology. Now, don't get the wrong idea. The 2013 to 2015 Lexus GS 350 F Sport is still a solid luxury sedan with excellent build quality, a comfortable ride, and proven reliability. But if you're shopping for the best used GS 350, you may find better value in newer model years that offer updated safety technology, a more user-friendly infotainment system, and overall improved refinement. So, before you make your purchase, be sure to compare the model years carefully. Choosing the right one could give you all the luxury and reliability Lexus is known for, without sacrificing the modern features you'll appreciate every time you get behind the wheel. Number 2. 2006 Lexus GS 300. The 2006 Lexus GS 300 might look like a bargain on the used car market. It offers timeless styling, a luxurious cabin, a smooth ride, and the premium reputation that Lexus has built over decades. At first glance, it seems like an easy choice. But beneath that elegant exterior lies one of the biggest concerns ever associated with this generation of the GS. The biggest problem is the engine. Unlike many other Lexus models known for bulletproof reliability, the 2006 GS 300 is notorious for severe carbon buildup inside its 3.0-liter direct injection engine. Over time, carbon deposits accumulate on the intake valves because fuel no longer washes them clean. As the buildup gets worse, drivers may notice rough idling, sluggish acceleration, reduced fuel economy, and even engine misfires. Fixing the problem often requires expensive cleaning procedures that many buyers never expect. But that's not the only issue. The 2006 GS 300 has also developed a reputation for excessive oil consumption. Some owners report needing to add oil between regular service intervals, and if the oil level isn't checked frequently, the engine can suffer premature wear or even serious internal damage. What starts as a minor inconvenience can quickly turn into a costly repair bill. These two issues make the 2006 GS 300 stand out for all the wrong reasons. While the car still delivers the refined ride quality and premium comfort Lexus is famous for, the potential maintenance costs can easily outweigh the attractive purchase price. If you're shopping for a used Lexus GS, it's worth spending a little more on a newer model equipped with the improved 3.5-liter V6 engine. Later, GS models offer better reliability, stronger performance, and fewer long-term engine concerns, making them a much smarter investment. So, while the 2006 Lexus GS 300 may seem like an affordable luxury sedan, its history of carbon buildup and high oil consumption makes it one model that's often better left off your shopping list. A low purchase price isn't always a good deal if expensive repairs are waiting just around the corner. That wraps up our guide to the best Lexus GS 350 F Sport models to buy and the model years you should avoid. With the right choice, you'll enjoy the perfect blend of luxury, performance, and legendary Lexus reliability without the costly surprises. If this video helped you make a smarter buying decision, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more expert car reviews, buying guides, and ownership tips. Thanks for watching, and remember, buy smart, drive with confidence, and we'll see you in the next video.